Awesome 10X 10 Commandments. Number 1, winners win. Number 2, Tina to Tam. Number 3, secular trend early or mature. Number 4, diversify. We cannot overemphasize diversification. Number 5, timing the market is more important than timing the market. Awesome 10X Commandment number 6, prepare the ark. Do not predict the rain. Throughout your time in history, people will tell you that an explosion happened, a recession, a bankruptcy, a depression, a pandemic. Your plan is you do not know that you can predict everything. This is why we prepared the ark no matter what scenario. That ark is your cash. In the biblical times, Noah built the ark because God said that it will rain. He didn't know when it will rain. It could rain tomorrow. We don't know what happens. This is why we emphasize asset allocation rules. Your guideline is 25% cash, 25% global stocks, 25% your job or your business, and 25% in properties. Now, it's fine if you can't invest in a property right now. It's fine if you don't have a business, so you're building your job to have a business. And you need to keep on investing in global winning stocks without forgetting that you have to have your 25% cash for emergency. Eventually, I'm pretty sure you will afford a house someday. Now, focus on your business. You can write, cook, teach, sing, sell something online. Think of what entrepreneurial business you can sell. Your business needs your capital, which is your brains. Once you have cash, invest a few of that monthly or quarterly or yearly to your stocks. Increase your stocks. You start 5,000 to 10,000 to 15,000 to 20,000. Eventually, it will be $100,000. This is a 10x journey in a decade, not a 10-day journey. It might take you 3 years, 10 years to even invest, but maybe one day your original 10,000 will grow by 100x or even 10x. So we want you to be on the road for millions of dollars, not just in stocks, but to help you grow your mindset as well. Take note that the Awesome 10X is a mindset way to actually earn and create long-term wealth. Awesome 10X Commandment number 7, never sell your winners. Don't say that taking profits is great. It is a financial crime, a mortal crime. Recall that somebody bought C Limited at $10, but he sold at $24. Today, C Limited is $175. What if in a few years' time, C Limited is $1,000? Unless you can 100x your cash in another winner, do not sell your winners. We believe in GOATs. The greatest of all time are not easy to find. The Amazon, the Netflix, the C Limited, the Taylor Swift, the Michael Jordan, the Billie Eilish, who keeps making all-time high cash flows even after decades and decades. They are not normal. When you own it, do not freaking sell it. It is a financial crime to yourself. It doesn't matter even if you just kept half of your original position, because your winners will win and win over time. A small seed can grow to a big acorn over 6 years or 10 years. Again, do not sell winners. Awesome 10X Commandment number 8, decades, not days. We overestimate the changes in a day or a week, but we actually underestimate the decades. Nobody knew that games will grow to hundreds of billions of dollars. Even Sony and PlayStation didn't know it. Even Zoom Video didn't understand that the total addressable market that their product has done can change lives. And not just one life, but a billion lives. Even One Direction didn't know when they were auditioning for UK's X Factor that they would be where they were 10 years after. So you may actually be holding a Harry Styles in your portfolio. Do not count the greatness in decades of a wonderful company. Awesome 10X Commandment number 9, surround yourself with winners. Winners will always reside with other winners as well. If you want to get better in finding winners, find people who help you find winners and stick and surround yourself with them. Do not underestimate that they can suggest new business ideas for you. They will help unlock new winners or help you hold existing winners. Awesome 10X 10th Commandment, impressive first impressions do last. While people say that first impressions don't last, We know that great stocks always have a great impression to people the moment they first find that out. Unlock, uncover, and learn more. Even if you get disappointed, so be it. The best companies actually make a great first impression, and they help sustain it over days and decades too. Pretty sure that there are some IPOs that are coming out. Which companies are making a great impression on you? Try to learn these companies because we want you to make awesome 10x returns on them. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it to your friends.